Training hard is essential in badminton, but training correctly is even more important. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to break down your weak points in your game by watching your gameplay and how to solve those with certain drills and advanced tips. So first, we'll be playing a game with Paul to see what some of my weak points are. Remember, I haven't trained in 6 to 8 years. We're going to identify those weak points and then work on certain drills, and also I'll let you know how to do those drills so that you can apply it in your game as well. So there's 3 things I identify in that gameplay video is going to be in my movement. One is going to be my ready stance. You'll see in my ready stance in a lot of my gameplay, I'm always standing very straight and also pushing off very slow in my movement because I am not ready. The first drill we're going to work on is going to be a ready position drill where we're going to make sure that every time after we hit a shot, we're going to get back into our ready position and stay low while pushing fast in these small footworks. And this is going to be an isolation drill. When we're doing this drill, we want to make sure our racket is always up. When we come back to center, we're going to be in ready position, staying on the balls of our feet, and right before they hit, we got to do a fast and small, quick push off to hit the shot. Our second drill that we're going to work on is our extension in our attacking shots. So what we're going to do for this is very simple. Starting from the front, we're going to go side to side multi, coming up to jump. So one at a time, from the center, moving to the right, jump, smash. And then we'll walk back again, move, jump, smash. When we're doing this, we want to make sure we're pushing off quickly from our center position, getting into position quickly, and making sure we're getting enough elevation that we're getting a hold before we smash, so that we have more unpredictability in our shot. Our last drill is going to be a net extension lunge drill. You'll see that in a lot of my gameplay, I've lost my ability to push off fast and get the net high. So what we want to do on this drill is throwing just one bird multi at a time, starting from the back of the court. We're going to be running forward, and then at the last second, boom, lunging big into a net shot. And then we'll run all the way back. The most important thing about this drill is when you're going forward, you're pushing off fast, and then this last shot has to be a big lunge into your net shot. I hope this process of identifying and evaluating your weak points of the gameplay help you better identify what you need to work on. Remember, if you really want to get good, you need to work on your foundational skills, but before that, you need to be able to identify it, especially if you do not have a professional coach teaching you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and check out these videos.